Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all you plant enthusiasts out there, the Blazin Bison Indoor Plant Watering Globes. These are not just any watering bulbs. They're touted as the best in the market for keeping your plants hydrated with minimal effort. Stick around as we explore what makes these globes a game-changer for plant care. Let's start with the basics. The Blazin Bison Indoor Plant Watering Globes are automatic self-water bulbs crafted from hand-blown glass, available in a deluxe set of 4 large globes. They're designed to provide your plants with the perfect amount of hydration, ensuring they stay healthy even when you're away on vacation. These globes stand 12 inches high and have a diameter of 3.35 inches, making them suitable for larger plants or pots. Once filled with water and inserted into the soil, they release water as the soil dries out, maintaining optimal moisture levels. Simply fill the globes with water, insert them into the soil, and let them do their magic. No more worrying about overwatering or underwatering. These globes handle it all. Each globe is hand-blown and comes in vibrant colors like translucent blue, red, navy, and turquoise, adding a touch of elegance to your indoor or outdoor garden. Why choose the Blazin Bison watering globes? Well, they're not just practical, they're a lifesaver for your plants. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just busy with daily life, these globes ensure your plants receive consistent care. They can sustain your plants for up to 2 weeks, reducing the need for constant monitoring and watering. By delivering water directly to the roots as needed, these globes promote healthier growth and vibrant foliage. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use watering solution that also adds aesthetic value to your home, the Blazin Bison Indoor Plant Watering Globes are a fantastic choice. They're affordable, effective, and designed with both functionality and style in mind. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Have you tried these watering globes before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!